Hey everyone, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so today I have a very exciting video because I have a double unboxing of two bags and they're from a brand I have not purchased from before, but it's a very popular purse brand that I'm sure you may have heard of, and it's Geiger. So these are my first two Geiger bags. So let's see my first impressions of them. I've been waiting to open them because I wanted to record a video of it. So let's get right into it. So here's the box it came in. And these two bags were on sale. You know, we love a sale. So thank you, Geiger, for that. So they were pretty good prices compared to their normal retail price. So let's just start with this one. Yes, it's so pretty. So this is, I believe this is the mini Kensington in the color dark brown. And it's made of the quilted leather, really soft. Well, not very soft, it's soft, but it's also kind of firm, so it holds its shape, which is good. So it's like a dark brown color, kind of similar to not the maple color from Coach, if you're familiar, but more so the espresso color. The espresso color is darker than the maple, so this resembles more of the espresso color from Coach. It's a very dark, deep brown, very rich, and it has the gold eagle head, has some gold stones on it with the two black eyes, very pretty. And then the back looks like this, and it has a plaque that says Geiger, London. Very pretty. I'm so excited. This is my first Geiger bag, guys. So it opens, has the two button closures. Ooh, and it comes with a dust bag. Design is what we do, kindness is what we are. Geiger, London. Love that. I love a dust bag. Love that. Okay, yeah, so this is the leather mini Kensington in dark brown. Patent leather, but it's real leather. Has a bit of a shine to it, but not very shiny. The inside is just one big pocket, and it has a small slip pocket in the back. Has like a fabric interior. I'll take the chains out of the plastic. Okay, there we go. So here are the chains, so they can double up to be a shoulder bag, and then you can just extend one to make it a longer crossbody strap. So that's how it how it looks on me. I am 5'4". I was about to say 5'5". I'm not. I'm 5'4". Not very tall, but it sits pretty good on me, like right at my hip, so that's good. Cute. So if you're not new to my channel, you know I have the maple mini Rowan from Coach. And it has silver hardware. That's really the only thing that I don't like about that bag, is that it has silver hardware. I prefer gold hardware, but they didn't make it with the gold hardware, only the silver. But I still love that bag. It's very functional, carries a lot, love it. Just would have preferred gold hardware. So when I saw this bag is brown leather, I know it looks black on camera, but trust me, it's brown. It's just really dark, but it's brown. And it has gold hardware. I was like, yeah, I really love this bag, because I really don't have, other than my Louis Vuitton bags, I don't have a brown bag with gold hardware. The only other brown bag I have is that mini Rowan. So that's really the reason why I got this bag, plus the sale. Can't forget the sale. So let's unwrap the second bag. Here's the second bag. Oh my gosh. It's so vibrant. Y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then here's the bag. It's mostly pink on the back. So my reason for getting this bag is because I don't have a multicolored or rainbow bag in my collections. I feel like, in my opinion, I've known Kurt Geiger for its colorful bags. It has a lot of colorful bags with different patterns and just very multicolored and vibrant and bright. And if you know the Completed Look Jazz on YouTube, she has a beautiful Kurt Geiger collection, and she has a lot of multicolored bags. And so I love her collection, all the different bags that she wears. And so it kind of inspired me to get like a multicolored bag, because it can really be like the perfect accessory for any outfit. Like, you can have like a solid white, solid black outfit and then just pop out with this purse, and that's the perfect accessory. Like, when you have a bag like this, you can pretty much tone down your outfit. And so I think this is just so cute, and it really just pops against, you know, any solid color, you know, base that you have as your outfit. So I love that. And it can kind of make up for some bags of colors that you don't have. Like, I don't have an orange bag, or I don't have like a green bag like this. So it kind of makes up for any color bag that you don't have. You just, boom, rainbow. There you go, you got all the colors here. So let's open it up. So here's a card inside. It says, "Thank you for choosing to purchase from Kurt Geiger. This product is crafted from soft, metallic, laminated, pebble grain leather using special dyeing techniques, which makes every article different from each other and therefore unique." And some extra stuff, but yeah. So the name of this bag is, it's the leather mini Kensington, and it just says multi other. So yeah, oh my gosh, it's so cute. You know, this royal blue is my favorite color, so I was very happy when I saw that color was included in it. It also comes with a dust bag. Just so excited how the inside looks. I finally have Kurt Geiger bags in my collection, and I think these two were the perfect ones to start with. So they are pretty popular with their like black ones with either the gold eagle, silver eagle, or they also have one with a black eagle head. That's really popular. I'm more of a black leather with gold hardware, but I already have the Coach Quilted Tabby 20 in the black leather with gold hardware. So I'm like, I don't really need like a black and gold kind of bag of this style again. So that's why I opted for the brown. I thought that was just the perfect addition to my collection. So yeah, these are the 2 bags that I bought. I'm so excited. And like literally these 2 bags on sale were the cost of like one of these bags normal price. Yeah. Let me take this off. Give me a second. Check out the multicolored stones in the eagle head. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. So now let's see what fits in here. I have a couple of my everyday items. So here's my phone case. I have an iPhone 16 Pro. That fits in there, fortunately. Here's my quilted card case from Coach. That fits in here, but I think with this, it does take a lot of space though. So I think with this bag, I would carry a slimmer, like just card case. Here's my mirror from Coach. And even instead of carrying like any type of card case, you really could just put your cards themselves in this bag, slip pocket in the bag. Then we have my lip gloss, my lip balm, and some hand sanitizer. Let's see all of that. And it closes. So cute. Oh my gosh. So thank you guys for watching my video of my double unboxing from Kurt Geiger. I love these bags. Tell me your thoughts on these 2 bags that I got. What are your thoughts on Kurt Geiger? Did this influence you to shop at Kurt Geiger? Maybe check out a bag or 2. So yeah, let me know how you guys like this unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.